Today we're going to be talking about living at home. I'm going to be saying some sentences and some vocabulary that you can use to describe your house. So we'll start by saying, where do you live? And you can reply by saying, I live in France, but I'm from Ireland, Dublin. You can say about the rooms in your house. So you have the kitchen, the bathroom, an office. You can have a front or back garden. You can have the stairs. You can have the cupboards. You can have the bedroom. And if you want to describe, saying I have a big back garden, or I have a big front garden, or I share a room with my, for example, a brother. And you can say I live in the countryside, or if you live in the city, you say I live in the city, or the suburbs, what the area is like, if the area is calm, if it's busy, how many people live there, and who you live with. So the people that you live with could be your parents, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, or your grandparents, or you can live with your brother-in-law or your sister-in-law. So you can also say I live in an apartment, or you can say I live in a flat, or if you live in a studio. So you can describe your room. You can say the walls are blue, I have a lamp in my room, I have a bed, I have a closet, a wardrobe. You can talk about the outside of your house. You can say it's white, but you have a black door. And if you want to talk about your living room, you can say there's a couch, there is a TV. You can say in the kitchen which facilities there are, so if there's an oven or a microwave. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.